PBA teams asa daw sa import, sabi ni Jeremy Lin, at Chris Newsome daw ang pinakamagaling na player ngayon sa PBA. Pero bago natin pag-usapan yan ay mag-subscribe muna sa ating channel para sa latest update. Ayan na nga, former NBA star na si Jeremy Lin nagbigay ng opinion sa mga PBA teams na kasali sa EASL. Sinabi nito na habang pinapanood niya ang East Asia Super League ay meron nga siyang napansin sa laro ng mga PBA teams sa international. Ayon dito ay nanotice niya na ang mga PBA imports daw ay naglalaro dito na halos umi-score daw ng 30 hanggang 40 points. Sa ibang liga nga dito daw sa Asia ay wala nga daw nakikita na import ay umi-score ng ganun kadami. Masasabi niya na 20 to 25 points daw ay marami na daw ito. Hindi katulad ng mga import sa PBA ay halos ito na daw ang bubuhat sa team.
I didn't get a chance to play this year in the game against Morocco, but what I've seen is I guess like I don't know, it's not right or wrong, it's just different. But what I've noticed from the PBA teams is the imports have a lot of, like, you really have to worry about the imports. They score and like you'll see 40-point game. You'll see players averaging 30 points, almost 40 points sometimes. In other leagues, that's virtually, you'll never see anything close to that. You'll see, maybe 25 points, but even if you're, averaging 20 a game, that's already a lot. In the PBA, sometimes you'll see some of these imports, like they're 30 plus. And so it's a different style. We definitely have to focus in on the imports.
Sa opinion niya na ito ay parang sinasabi ni Taiwanese superstar na hindi masyado gumagana ang mga local player natin at masyado daw itong nagre-rely sa import. Pero meron isang player naman sa Meralco Bulls ang nakakuha ng atensyon ni Lin. Walang iba kundi si Giles player Chris Newsome. Sinabi nito na underrated itong si Newsome at nanghihinayang siya na hindi siya nakalaro nung nagkaharap ang Meralco Bulls at New Taipei Kings.
But Morocco is different. Morocco has Newsome as well, and he's a great player. So, it's not only the imports, but definitely more focus on them.
Natanong naman si Jeremy Lin kung ano ang masasabi niya about kay Kai Sotto. Sinabi nito na naniniwala siya na matutupad ni Kai ang goal niya na makarating sa NBA. Sa di nakakalamay, minsan lang nagkasama sa practice ng J-League Ignite itong si Kai at Lin. Ayon dito, hindi pa huli ang lahat para kay Kai dahil minsan na rin siyang naging undrafted sa NBA. Nagbigay din siya ng example about kay Yabusele na isa ring undrafted pero maganda ang pinakita nito sa nakarang 2024 Olympics at doon ay nagbigay ito ng opportunity para makapasok sa NBA. Kaya malaking factor daw talaga ang paglalaro sa international competition katulad ng Olympics at FIBA World Cup.
For example, the 76ers, I don't know how to pronounce his name, but the 76ers, they had somebody who played really well in the Olympics and then got a contract, and now he's with the 76ers and he's a rotation player. And that's later in his career, a few years after. I just don't want to say his name because I'm going to butcher it, but you guys can look it up. But that's what I hope to see. I hope Kai and other players, even as they get more experience and they grow, they can always have a chance. And it took the Olympics or even some international game, those are opportunities that you can still make it back to the NBA. So he definitely has time, and I just hope I hope he recovers from, and it gets healthy and everything is smooth going forward.
Tingin nyo guys, makakapasok pa ba si Kai Sotto sa NBA kahit nakakuha na siya ng ACL injury? At pabor ba kayo sa sinabi ni Lin na naasa lang sa import ang mga PBA teams? I-comment lang sa baba kung ano ang masabi nyo tungkol dito. Thanks for watching. Peace!